Hello everyone, you're watching RDX Goa's News Bulletin with me Sangeeta Hiroji. To begin with, let's take a look at the headlines. Congress leaders will go door to door of North Goa constituency and preach about Lok Sabha election, Ravi Naik. Dabolim Block Congress Committee will not support the Congress South Goa candidate in upcoming Lok Sabha election, Movin Gudino. UTA Association condemned the decision of the government. And Kurtolim MLA Alex Reginald has not done any work for Muslim people, all Goa Muslim Jamaat. And now the news in detail. Congress leader will go door to door of North Goa constituency and preach about Lok Sabha election, informed Lok Sabha election candidate Ravi Naik. He further informed that unsatisfied people from BJP government are waiting for Congress government. Sanjay Manole reports from Panjim.
आमचे 20 कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीचे आमचे ब्लॉकाचे त्या मतदारसंघाचे अध्यक्ष प्रेसिडेंट जे आसा त्यांची मिटींग आशिल्ली आनी आमचे जनरल सेक्रेटरी आशिल्ले त्यांची मिटींग आशिल्ले फुडलें काम जे आसा तें सुरू करपा लागून आनी आमी 24 तारखेर नॉमिनेशन फायल केल्या नंतर ते कामां लागतले आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी डेटी प्रत्येक कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी आम्ही डेटी फिक्स केली आसा प्रत्येक कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी आता डेटी अजून घेतात प्रत्येक कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी रायट फ्रॉम पेडण्यान सगळे वटच्यान पाळी जावं आनी खंय सगळें आसा तें सगळे कडेन डेट फिक्स करून आमी कामां लागपाचें केलें रूट लेवल बूथ वायज हावस टू हावस अशे आमचे सगळे कार्यकर्ते भोंवपाचे आसा 20 कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीनी आमचे जे आसा आमचे वर्कर आसा कार्यकर्ते आसा ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट आसा बाकी सेवा दल आसा यूथ आसा महिला आसा आनी प्रत्येक कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी आमी एक दीस दवरला आनी ते कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी आमी दीसभर लोकांक मेळटले आनी मागीर आमी पब्लीक मिटींग घेतली लोक जे आसात लोक सगळे आतां जे कितें परिवर्तन पैकी जालां तांकां तें भोगलां म्हण ताका लागून लोक जे आसा आयज आमकां काँग्रेसीक रावता काँग्रेसी लोक येतले आमकां सांगतले आमकां आपयतले अशें म्हूण लोक रावल्ले आसा ताका लागून आमचे प्रत्येक मनशांनी आतां डिसायड केल्लें आसा जे लॉस्ट कॅन्डिडेट फाटल्या वेळाचे जो आमचे आतां आसा ते आमदार सगळे आनी आमचे पार्टीचे लोक सगळे प्रत्येक घरांनी वचून लोकांक मेळटले म्हाका टायम कमी आसा आतां कित्याक आमकां 20 कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी एसेंब्ली म्हणटकीर टायम कमी आसा आनी 24 तारखे नंतर मागीर आमकां आनी टायम कमी मेळटा मंडे हांव फॉर्म भरता तेन्ना तेजे दुसऱ्या दिसाचेर आमचें काम सुरू जातलें आमच्या पार्टीचे प्रेसिडेंटी कडेन आसा पॉयंट सगळे ते पॉयंट्स कितें आमचे गोंयचे जे आसा पळय ते धाडल्यात आनी आतां आमी रावता फाल्यां तर दिल्ले वयता आनी तेंच्यान तो मॅनिफेस्टो बी हाडपाचो प्रयत्न करता आनी ते सगळे पॉयंट्स आसा मागीर तो तुमकां सांगतलो.
Dabolim Congress Block Committee had warned Congress leader John Fernandez to apologize to Dabolim MLA Movin Gudino within 72 hours. However, as he was failed to do so, Dabolim MLA Movin Gudino said that he, along with his Dabolim Block Congress Committee, will not support the Congress South Goa candidate in upcoming Lok Sabha election.
Conveyed one very clear thing. They had given us 72-hour deadline to the president to give an unconditional apology of saying that Dabolim MLA does not have, except one vote, he does not have any vote. He has failed to apologize. He has failed to correct the situation. He has failed to read the writing on the wall. He has given a feeling of unwantedness, of alienation to our workers, and therefore our workers have said, you are simply going to keep quiet, you are not going to take active participation in any of the campaigning for the Congress party, and therefore you have to listen what we say. So I am waiting for their final dictate as to what it will be. Definitely Reginald Lorenzo is my personal friend, there is no doubt about that, and he knows how much I have done for him to get elected as the Zilla South Goa Zilla Parishad president at one point of time, which ultimately propelled him to become MLA and now a candidate for Lok Sabha. But he should introspect as to when he has supported me or taken any stand supporting me for any particular thing. In spite of that, it's nothing against Reginaldo Lorenzo, but it is my stand in connoissance with that taken with my workers, that I will not be able to actively campaign in this election. Like others, I am not saying that I am supporting the candidate, supporting campaigning and doing exactly opposite from behind. I cannot play double. I am simply saying I will not be an active campaigner in this campaign. It is as simple as that. John is going to be a disaster for the future of Congress in Goa. We have to see what is in the best interest of Goa. We should see who will best serve the interests of Goa, and we have to see who will preserve Goa and do well for furthering the interests of the state. With this in background, we have to move forward.
Kathu Velip and Mangesh Gaokar lost their life in the struggle for right to scheduled tribe community. UTA Association has organized program on the eve of 10th anniversary of UTA Association at Ponda. Government did not give permission to conduct this program. Hence, association member condemned this decision of the government. Mandar Naik reports from Marga.
Celebration of the 10 years जे आमी दवरले, जे आमचे दिलीप वेळीप यांच्या स्मरणार्थ जेणे बलिदान दिल्ले आसा तांकां आमी समर्पित करपाचो हो कार्यक्रम आसलो. तशेंच आमचे एक झुंजार ह्या ST समाजा खातीर वावुरपी डॉक्टर काशनाथ जल्मे आनी लेट आंतोनबाब फ्रांसीस हांची उगडासा खातीर हो 10 वर्सांचो कार्यक्रम जो संघर्शमय आमचो उठाचो कार्यक्रम आसलो 30 तारखेक फोंडा हांगा स्पोर्ट्स ग्राउंडाचेर आमी आयोजीत केल्लो आनी हेजे खातीर आमी जय्यत तयारी केल्ली. आमी सादारण 25,000 गोंयचे सादारण 2 लाख इतली आमची लोकसंख्या आसा. 12तल्या 11 तालुक्यांक आमची ही लोकसंख्या विखरले कडेन आसा. पण सरकारान आमकां हे परमिशन न दिवन ST लोकांच्यो भावना दुखयल्ल्यो आसात. हो एक आमचो सामाजीक उपक्रम आसलो. 10 वर्सांचे आमी कितें वाटचाल केलो, कशें आमी संघर्श केले, कशें आमी चळवळ केलो, हेजो वृत्तांत आमी लोकांक दिवपाचो आसलो. आनी
Let's take short commercial break. Keep watching RDX Goa.
Comfortable stay, presidential and executive suites, essentials, safety of your belongings, modern baths, showers and jacuzzi, $25 conference room, one-up lounge bar with disco lights and DJ music. Restaurant managed by Mumbai's famous Uncle's Kitchen, tasty and tantalizing dishes. Cable TV screens, all in friendly and air-conditioned environment at Amunkar's Boutique Hotel, DB Bandodkar Road, Miramar, Panji, Goa.
Emotion, one-stop location for all your needs. A huge collection of custom gifts for your family and friends. Shop for any occasion, weddings, birthdays, anniversary and much more. Express your deepest love with a thoughtful gift from our store. Unique and creatively designed gifts, only at Emotions.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजी. भांगर म्हारग जाला घेव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां पाटली पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार कदम बस स्टँड पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
चांदण्यात फिरताना माझा
धुंद चांदण्या रात्री
दास
रोमांच रोम अंगात्री लाघवी तुझे स्मित छेडती नवे गीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. या माझ्या स्वप्न महाली क्षण रंगले मन दंगले जादू तुझ्या स्पर्शाची मी प्रेम रंगी रंगले. उमलली नवी एक प्रीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. आतिथ्य आणि स्मित म्हणजेच हॉटेल चंद्रगीत. आरामदायी प्रशस्त एअर कंडिशन खोल्या, केबल टीव्ही, शॉवरची सोय, मध्यवर्ती ठिकाण पणजी म्हापसा महामार्गावर पदवरी गोवा येथे हॉटेल चंद्रगीत.
Welcome back. All Goa Muslim Jamaat alleged that Kurtorim MLA Alex Reginald has not done any work for Muslim people. They further even alleged that he was threatening one of the Muslim brother during the holy month of Ramzan. Mandar Naik reports from Marga.
Alex, the only objection is coming from the Kurtori MLA Reginald. He is not allowing us to operate the burial ground. He has not allowed us to bury the dead bodies in that, and the land is lying vacant over there. Thirdly, there is one garage in Dovolim area known as Famous Shutters. He makes rolling shutters. He repairs some tankers and trucks and repairs of vehicles. He has got one small prayer house in his compound, in his garage for his own workers, because the nearest prayer house is about 5 kilometers. He has been troubling this man for no reason at all. I think what I want to say is because he is from the Muslim community, he has been troubling him every time. And this trouble starts only during the Ramadan time, when the people are busy with the prayers and fasting. He comes with a group of about 100-200 people, and he starts disturbing these people, their prayers. This he does only during the Ramadan time. After that, he doesn't help trouble them. So this shows the attitude of the communal attitude of the present candidate who has been appointed by the Congress party for the MP election. We want to tell our community that this type of candidate is not acceptable to our community. He is a communal. No way he is going to help the minorities. And being an MLA, he has not tried to solve our problems. See what happens. The Margaon is a city. If any place of worship or if any burial place is required, the Kurtori is a very close to Margaon city. We can only go to that constituency, or we can go to Fatoda constituency. There is no other place in Margaon. So he has to cooperate. He has to help us, but he is not trying to help us.
Pennem constituency residents are facing water shortage problem for past many days. Due to this problem, agitated people held one-day strike to Pennem PWD department and placed their demands. As the assistant engineer was absent, people put up their problem in front of the additional engineer Sandeep Moraskar. He further assured all the people to solve their problem as soon as possible. Vinod Mehta reports from Pennem.
पाण्याचो सध्या प्रॉब्लेम जाला. तर पाणी आमकां 4 दीस पाणी ना पेडण्यान, मार्केट एरियेक ना, खंय ना, आनी हो दर वर्सा 2-2 म्हयन्यान हांकां वचून जागोवचे पडटात. आज आमी ऑफिसान गेलो थंय येयना कोण ना हेच रिजनेबल आन्सरिंगच करपी थंय कोण ना. आमचो विशय असो आसा, आमकां कितें आमकां उदक टायमार मेळोंक जाय. आज जर कोण जर आयलो म्हाज्या घरान तूच जर आयलो तर तुका बिसलरी उदक हाडून दिवचें पडटलें म्हाका. हे 2-2 म्हयन्यांनी आमकां कित्याक हे उदकाक लागून वळवळ करचें पडटा तें कळना. हेचेर सोल्युशन काडपाक जाय. तर आतां हे जे सोडपी जे आसात उदक तेंची ठरावीक हेचेर परपरवर बदली करून सगळ्यांचे बदल्यो करून इंटरनल बदले केले काय खंय खंय हप्ते पावतात कितें पावतात ते सारके कळटले. आणि जर पाणी जर व्यवस्थित जर येयलें तर समज आमी सारकेच समजतले तर हे हप्ते खावनच एका उदक सोडटात म्हणून.
Jamaat-e-Islam Hind Association has launched People Manifesto 2014 books. Jamaat-e-Islam Hind have taken initiative to interact and know the basic needs of the people, informed Jamaat-e-Islam Hind convener Asif Hussain. Issues like education, health, women protection are mentioned in this book. This association also requested the winning government to look into this matter. Ishwan Parab reports from Panjim.
The common man gets the opportunity once in the 5 year to cast his vote, and we know that the policies and programs of any government has a direct impact on the common man. So first of all, what Jamaat does is it educates the people that you need to cast the vote, and this one finger of yours can bring a big difference. Your aspiration can be fulfilled. The issues of the common man, issues of the people of India, the real issues, the basic issues of health, of education, of justice, of security, all of these things have gone to the backman. What Jamaat says is that the real issues that is faced by the common man needs to be highlighted. It is on these principles that elections need to be fought. We appeal that this People's Manifesto, we intend to reach out to the political parties, to reach out to the masses, that these are the principles on which the elections need to be fought on. We have enlisted 15 to 17 different points, and hopefully in the due course before the elections we are able to give a message across to the people that let the election be for the welfare of all in India. These elections are very crucial elections. 2014 is going to be a very crucial election, and that is why it is necessary that all the people concerned, citizens of India, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, need to come together and vote for a welfare society.
Let's take a short commercial break. Keep watching RDX Goa.
कसलोय समारंभ असो वा कसलोय सुवाळो असो, सगळ्यांची एकूच पसंत संजय फॅशन सेंटर. रेडीमेड सूट, शेरवानी, कुर्तास आणि लग्न सोहळ्याचे कपडे तुमच्या गरजेप्रमाण आम्ही ऑर्डर घेतात. संजय फॅशन सेंटर, सिंडिकेट बँके लागी बेती.
सलोनी लेडीज वेयर. A new extension store of Sanjay Fashion Center, specialist in kurtis, jeans, dress material and innerwear. Next to Police Outpost, Betim, Bardes, Goa. Contact 777-3927-152.
Mallikarjun Caterers. We accept soft drinks, ice creams, veg and non-veg buffet orders for weddings, birthdays and other occasions. We also undertake pandal and stage decorations with lightings. Contact Anand Bandekar, Pansulem, Concon, Goa. Phone number 3130-178, 9823-524014 or 9405-166141. Mallikarjun Caterers.
Welcome back. Many different cultural programs will be organized by Navvarsha Swagat Samiti Mapsa on 27th March on the eve of Gudi Padwa. This Samiti also requested many people's participation in this program. Gautam Shirorkar reports from Mapsa.
गुडी पाडव्याचे 11 वर्ष हे वर्ष म्हणजे आमचे 11 वर्ष पूर्व आम्ही 10 वर्ष व्हडल्या धमाक्यान आम्ही केले आणि भयंकर लोकांचो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो आमकां. म्हणून आमी त्याच धर्तीचेर आमचे हालचाल आसा की सगळ्यांच्यो गाठी बिटी घेवन आमी त्या प्रयत्न ना की अंदू तेच्या परस बऱ्या पद्दतीन करपाची आमची तयारी आसा. 5 कार्यक्रमान शोभायात्रा आमची प्रारंभ जाता ते ढोल ताशांचे गजर आसता प्लस दिंडी अशे विविध कार्यक्रमांनी आमी तो साजरो करता. पाडवो म्हणजे आमचे नवे वर्ष हे पिढीच्या लक्षात येऊन द्या. त्या खातीर आमी एक प्रकारचो प्रयोग आमचो आसा की लायटी प्रत्येकाच्या घराक लायटी घालच्यो आनी आमी एप्रोच ऑलरेडी जाल्ली आसा प्रत्येकान की बाबा तुमी सिरियली घाला आनी ते घालतले लोक अशें हांव मनपूर्वक तुमकां सांगता की लोक घालतलेच हें आमचें आव्हान आसा लोकांक.
31 तारखेक सगळे सेलिब्रेशन 1 तारीख सेलिब्रेशन करता नव्या वर्साचें आनी आमी आमचे नवे क्षण कित्याक धूमधामाने साजरो करतो न्हू. नाजाण मेळोन विचार केलो की ह्या पाडव्याक आमी ल्हानसो पयली कार्यक्रम करतो.
Yog Mahotsav will be celebrated on 23rd March at Bandoda Kashiram ground. This program is organized by Patanjali Samiti and Bharat Swabhiman Association. This Yog Mahotsav will conduct at 32 places around India, informed Mohan Amshekar. He further informed that all the 32 Yog Mahotsav will be initiated on the same day and same time, with an aim to create a history.
नमस्कार. आम्ही पतंजली योग समिती भारत स्वाभिमान तर्फे योग महोत्सव 23 मार्च 2014 हो गोंयभर आनी देशभर आयोजीत केल्लो आसा स्वामीजीन. गोंयान आमी जवळ जवळ 32 ठिकाणी हो योग महोत्सव आयोजीत केल्लो आसा आनी तो सांजवळा जातलो सांजचे 4 ते 6. तेन्ना आमी कळकळीचें सगळ्यांक आव्हान करता की सगळ्या देशवासियांनी आनी गोंयकारांनी ह्या योग महोत्सवाक भाग घेवचो. कारण हातून स्वामीजीन एक लक्ष दवरलां की 10 कोटी लोक देशभर ह्या योग महोत्सवान सामील जातले आनी एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड जातलो. भारत देश हो अध्यात्मीक देश आसा आनी जर तर तांकां योग शिकूं जाय जाल्यार तांणी भारता कडेन पळोवपाचें. आयुर्वेदाक सगळ्यांनी एट्रॅक्ट जावं जाय आनी नॅचरल वेज आमी कशें प्रिपेर करून आमचें हेल्थ बरें दवरपाक शकता आनी हेल्थ बरें दवरता आसतना देशाचें हेल्थ कशें बरें दवरपाक शकता हाजेर आमी सांगतले.
Before we wind up, here is a quick recap of the headlines. Congress leaders will go door to door of North Goa constituency and preach about Lok Sabha election. Ravi Naik. Dabolim Block Congress Committee will not support the Congress South Goa candidate in upcoming Lok Sabha election. Movin Gudino. UTA Association condemned the decision of the government. And Kurtolim MLA Alex Reginald has not done any work for Muslim people, all Goa Muslim Jamaat. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.